In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block specific countries in your Shopify store. Whether you're facing shipping limitations, dealing with legal or tax restrictions, or you simply want to focus your business on selected regions only, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know in a clear and simple way. Managing where customers can place orders is extremely important for running a smooth online store, so let's jump right into it. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard and look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. Over here, click on the Settings option. This section is basically the control center of your store, where you manage important things like payments, shipping, taxes, and overall store operations. Once you're on the Settings page, look for the option labeled Shipping and Delivery. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any important settings. Next, click on Shipping and Delivery and you'll see a list of shipping profiles that are currently active in your store. These profiles control where your products can be shipped and which customers are allowed to place orders. Find the shipping profile you're currently using and click on it. After that, scroll down a bit until you see the Shipping Zones section. This is where Shopify defines which countries and regions your store supports. Now comes the most important step. In the Shipping Zones section, click on the Edit option. You'll now see a list of countries that are included in that shipping zone. Carefully go through this list and uncheck the boxes next to the countries you want to block. Once a country is unchecked, customers from that region won't be able to complete a purchase on your store anymore, which helps you avoid unwanted orders and shipping issues. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're logged in with admin access, double-check that you're editing the correct shipping profile, and confirm your shipping strategy before blocking any countries. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent mistakes that could affect your sales. And once you've selected the countries you want to block, scroll down and click the Save button. This step is very important because without saving, your changes won't apply. After saving, it's a good idea to review your shipping zones one more time to make sure everything looks correct. Taking this extra step ensures your store runs smoothly and avoids confusion for customers. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to block countries in your Shopify store easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same challenge. Why not make someone's day easier?